Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Dodge Durango in neutral. First, make sure your vehicle is running and parked on a flat surface. Then, firmly press down on the brake pedal. While holding the brake, move the gear selector into the neutral position. This simple action disengages the transmission, allowing the wheels to spin freely. It's a quick and easy process for towing or moving your vehicle short distances. Sometimes, you might need to put your Durango in neutral without the engine running, perhaps due to a dead battery. In such cases, you'll use the shift interlock release. Find the small cap or button near your gear shifter. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a similar tool to press this release. While holding it down, you can then move the shifter into neutral. This bypasses the electronic lock. Safety is paramount when putting your vehicle in neutral. Always engage the parking brake immediately after shifting to neutral, especially if you're on any kind of slope. Never leave your Durango unattended in neutral, as it could roll unexpectedly. Before moving the vehicle, double-check that the path is clear of any obstacles or people. These steps help prevent accidents and ensure safe operation. To quickly recap, for everyday use, simply press the brake and shift into neutral. For emergencies, locate and use the shift interlock release. Always prioritize safety by engaging the parking brake and ensuring a clear path. Remember, understanding these steps helps you manage your vehicle effectively. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other helpful deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.